everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to our video presenting on the Mesmerizing Organza mixed border saree. This beautiful saree effortlessly combine elegance and traditions, making it the perfect choice for a special occasion. The organza fabric used in this saree add a touch of sheer elegance and lightness, while the intricate mixed border designs add a traditional flair. It's a stunning blend of contemporary and classic style, truly a sight to behold. The saree comes in a variety of color, allowing you to choose the perfect shades that suit your personality and the occasion. From vibrant jewel tones to soft pastel, there's a color for every taste and preference. The lightweight organza fabric makes this saree not only visually appealing but also comfortable to wear. You can effortlessly drape it and move with grace and ease, making it an ideal choice for long events and celebrations. The mixed border design on the saree is a work of art in itself. The intricate patterns and delicate craftsmanship showcase the rich cultural heritage of India, adding a touch of traditions to the modern designs. Whether you go attending a wedding or formal event or a festive celebration, the organza mixed border saree is guaranteed to make you the center of attraction. Its elegance and grace will leave anyone memorized. So, if you are looking for a saree that effortlessly combine elegance and traditions, the organza mixed border saree is the perfect choice for you. Elevate your style and make the lasting impression with this is beautiful piece of art. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed learning about the guiling organza mixed border saree. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more fashion inspiration and update. And guys, if you want to purchase this saree, then I'll share link is in description box, so you can check it out. Till then, bye, take care, and thank you.